Hello everyone! Today we continue to bake for holidays, and today we're going to make meringues. Meringues, a lot of people I know, they're afraid to make them. It's really not that hard, and this recipe is, recipe and idea is from Pierre Hermé's book. But again, with the little twist, I add my idea to it. So, we start beating the egg whites first. Everything, like your bowl, everything has to be clean, and egg whites has to be no egg yolks in it. Clean, clean, clean. So I start beating egg whites, and then gradually I will be adding, I have superfine sugar, or you can use the sugar powder. Gradually adding, but first we're beating the egg whites starting on a medium speed first, and then gradually getting the speed higher. Right now my egg whites are getting foamy, so I'm getting the speed higher and gradually adding the sugar. Okay, my egg whites are all whipped and they're beautiful. They're white, they're shiny, they're not falling off the whisk, they're not falling off the bowl. Beautiful. So now I'm gonna put them in the bag and I'll show you a little trick. So they go into the bag. Yeah, I'm making half of the recipe. Down in the box below the video will be the recipe with all the ingredients, how it is in the original recipe. So I've got my bag. And I've got my just regular tip with the round tip. So what I'm doing now, I just go around the silicone half of sphere, and I'm just going around it. Making this sort of meringue half of sphere. Okay, so not everyone has silicone half of sphere. How we can help? We can take the foil paper and cover the bottoms of the muffin pan or cupcake pan. Cover them with the foil paper and do the same thing like I did on a silicone. Basically, just covering it, making it look like half a sphere. Right? And right now in Toronto it's snowing, so it really puts you in a holiday mood. So the idea is to make snowballs. So what I take the small palette knife and I just make them looking like snowballs. That's it. The preparation is ready, and these guys go into the oven for an hour and a half, and then we'll continue and we'll decorate them. Alright, so my meringues are ready. They've been in the oven for an hour and a half, and then I let them cool there for 15-20 minutes. In the recipe it says you should leave them there overnight. I can't. I have no patience. So I got them out and I started really careful and gentle to take off all the foil. You have to be really careful, otherwise you can, it started to break, but it didn't. So this one is better. Very careful and gentle. It's better with the silicone mold. It's coming out much better, so it's easier. So I got these guys out too. And now they're chilled completely. While they were chilling, I whipped some cream with superfine sugar or powdered sugar, and also I have this chocolate glaze, that the same recipe when we made madeleines. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover it with this glaze. This is my idea, this is not from recipe. I'm gonna cover it with this glaze inside our meringues, and it will help them to not to get soggy too fast, because as soon as you put cream in it, or pastry cream or anything, it will start to get soggy. So what I do, I cover just the glaze inside of meringue. Okay. And this one too. Glaze all around inside my meringues, and now I take whipped cream and I put it inside. Serve them like that, like a little balls, or why I thought of them as snowballs. You could just put them together, I don't know, these ones, and voila! You got your snowball! Isn't it cute? Our meringues are ready, so I think it's a great idea. Again, it's easy to make. The presentation could be a little different as much as you want. You can put this glaze on top even, or make these snowballs. They're very cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you make it, because it's not that hard at all, and it will look great for your dessert plate. Alright, see you in the next video.